Unit 1. Economic growth and economic development. 2 mark. 1. Economic growth meaning and definition. Meaning. Economic growth refers to the increase in the output of goods and services in an economy over a period of time. Definition. According to Professor Michael Todrow, economic growth is the steady process of increasing the productive capacity of an economy over time. 2. Economic development meaning and definition. Meaning. Economic development means overall improvement in economic and social welfare, including income, health, education, and living standards. Definition. According to Professor Amartya Sen, economic development is the process of expanding real freedoms and improving human capabilities. 3 concepts of economic growth and development. Growth deals with increases in national income and production. Development covers overall progress such as literacy, life expectancy, and technology. Growth is a part of development but not the whole of it. Development ensures long-term sustainable improvement in welfare. 4 differences between growth and development. Growth is quantitative, while development is qualitative and quantitative. Growth shows rise in output, development shows improvement in living conditions. Growth can occur without development. Development includes growth plus social and economic progress. 5 Measurement of economic development per capita income. Per capita income is the average income earned per person in a country. It is calculated by dividing national income by total population. Higher per capita income indicates higher development levels. However, it does not reflect income distribution. 6 Measurement of economic development basic needs approach. This approach measures development by the ability to meet basic needs. It includes food, clothing, shelter, health, and education. A country is considered developed when basic needs are fulfilled for all. It focuses on improving living standards. 7 Physical Quality of Life Index, PQLI. PQLI measures development using 3 indicators. They are life expectancy, infant mortality rate, and literacy rate. growth reflects the quality of life rather than income. A higher PQLI shows better human welfare. 8. Human Development Index, HDI. HDI is developed by the UNDP to measure human development. It includes health, life expectancy, education, and income levels. HDI ranks countries based on human well-being, not just income. Higher HDI means better development. 9. Gender Empowerment Measure, GEM. GEM measures gender equality and women's empowerment. It considers political participation, economic participation, and income. GEM shows how equally women participate in national development. Higher GEM indicates greater gender empowerment. 10 factors affecting economic development. Natural resources, capital formation, and human resources influence development. Technological progress and infrastructure also play key roles. Political stability and good governance support growth. Social factors like education and culture also affect development.